My pipples, my pipples. May pips be upon you. You know how I like to do it, man. Let's just get right into it. You know what I'm talking about? Aussie, New Zealand. Do you remember? I went over this in the Forex Weekly Forecast, my Forex Weekly Forecast video I put out Sunday. Hey, if you haven't seen it, go check it out, man. You know how to look me up. RT Money, right? Now, check this out. Check this out. Boom. Now, why am I bringing it up? If you remember, I think I red tagged this. I think I red tagged this because I thought the pending was setting up. Matter of fact, it was a yellow tag. I yellow tagged it because I thought the setup was happening. All right, we're on a daily. You know why I was looking at this in the first place? I had a bearish bias on it. It's going down. Then we had this retracement. This is nothing but correction. All right, to this impulse. So once it reached up there, that's about a 786 Fibonacci retracement level. This is the last retracement level to where I would expect a reversal, and that's exactly what it did. Meanwhile, it was forming this ascending channel, and as it found resistance up here, it came on down and consolidated here. This gave me pause. All right, let's go to the 4-hour where I like to make my entries, right? Now, you can see that consolidation a little clearly here. And when I gave out the video, price was like right down here. All right, and I was like, we got to wait until it comes up here. Well, here really is between the 50 and the 618 golden retracement, golden retracement, golden ratio. All right, and really this should have been drawn more like this at the end of that wick here. All right, and this whole field. All right, it should have covered the whole field, and you see how close we came to it at the 50. The 50 is where you'll see a lot of reversal action. All right, either that's I mostly look between the 50 and the golden ratio of 618. All right, so we're here. You see all these rejections. This is why I'm making this video. This is why I'm sharing it with my subscribers. I think this is where we're going to get our entry. One of the other things that gives me confirmation is that stochastic is overbought. I've said it right this time. All right, it's overbought. And you can see how the blue line has crossed over the red line, which indicates that sellers have entered and may assert their dominance, right? So we're looking for an entry. We're looking for an entry here. I'm going to tell you right now, I'd wait until I get a break and close here. I want to see a bullish momentum candle come across here, a nice red one come across here, a nice full-bodied, like bearish engulfer, all right, or a very good solid bearish momentum candle, something that says, hey, we're leaving and we ain't coming back. We're going downtown to Chinatown. All right, so that's the setup, and that's about to happen. So we'll probably get something like this, probably by London, maybe pre-London. All right, and that's the deal. This is what we're looking for. All right, and where are we taking it? That's a good question. All right, I would put my stop loss right around there somewhere, and I if I didn't have this if I didn't have an obvious point of support, I'd be looking at these two areas. If I didn't have these two areas, and I'm going to check this, matter of fact, this is what I do. I'm going to put a line on this real quick. Boom, array, right? And I want to see how close it comes to these Fibonacci retracement levels. See, I think this is going to go once it starts going, this is 130 to the support. Well, to that where the other where I found support here. All right, but is that strong support? I'm not so sure about that. Here is probably the area where I'm going to worry about more. This line here. All right, but you know, but an interesting line itself, and I like this line down here. That's going to be a lot of pips. All right, and I think it could go. It's going to be a funky ride. You just got to hold on. All right, but this is going to be uh this would be, I would consider this. Uh, Matter of fact, let me check something. I'm working with you right here. This is the stuff I do just for Lions in 18. This is 58, and this is 78. And to the bottom here is 89. Okay. All right. Well, I tell you what. You put this as one of your TPs, you're going to be good to go. I'll map this out a little bit more in detail for the premium members, but you see what the setup is. You see, I gave you uh, I gave you the stop loss and where you want to target. All right, but definitely you want to target to the where the point of the pullback starts. All right, as I usually have that as TP1. Once you get past a pullback area, like here or here, once you get past that pullback area, that's when you can bring your stop loss to break even, because that price has to come back through all of this before it comes back up there and taps you out. You have protection, you have buffers. You understand? You want to create traffic in between uh, the price, the price level down here and your stop loss. You want to make sure you have some buffers in between. All right, that's enough for now. Hey, I think this is hot. Keep an eye on it, and I will talk to you in the next video.